Hey guys, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here. So I've been coaching for a long time here in Hollywood, more than 30 years right now, and I keep developing new things, and I'm going to give you a little bit of this now. People want to know, how do you belt? How do you really have that powerful sound when you get up on stage? I've developed many different ways of doing that, but I think this is going to be the one that's going to help you the most. And I'm going to sit down doing this because I want you to see that once you understand and get this concept, it doesn't even matter what your breath support is doing. You're going to be able to control it from wherever you are. And so what I'm saying is that I'm going to take a sound. Now, it's going to be easier for me to belt this if I'm not pushing into it. That may sound nuts to you, but you will start to understand it. So what I'm doing, I'm going to do it on an O sound too, because O's sometimes give us a little more trouble because of where they sit within our bodies and our ranges, depending on, what we might be singing. But I'm going to give you this, and you're going to start to understand how you can belt without hurting yourself. Most times we think that if we just get really ready and push out there, we're going to really get the sound we want, and you're not. Because first of all, when you clutch in from your stomach to start to push into something, you've already cut off your air. So you don't have access to the air that could create that really big sound. So what I'm going to have you do is think you're starting up here. Oh, I'm starting there. Oh, so I've taken a breath. And as I'm taking that breath, I'm feeling my diaphragm out. But then I'm going to pull up a little bit. Oh! As I'm pulling up a little bit, wow, more power, more starts to come through. And I can even hold that for a little bit too, but I'm going to do it on an exercise so you start to get the idea. But again, what I'm doing is I'm starting here, pulling down, pushing out, but then for the belting, I'm having this sensation, and you guys will feel this. I'm having this sensation where I'm kind of pulling up in my crotch to kind of get that power. But because I've already been pulling down, I'm not in danger of forcing anything or causing any kind of damage. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Oh, 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 oh. I just wanted to hold that for a little bit so you can see that once you start to get this, oh, you'll also you'll be developing that breath control, and you'll have more of it. But you'll be able to adjust it. You'll know how much you want to use depending on how powerful you want that sound to be. But again, I use this on an ah sound. You might want to use something a little easier like an A or something which doesn't fall back in your throat, because the O does give you a little more challenge. I like giving you things that might offer you a little more challenge, because when you master one of the more difficult sounds, the other sounds become easier. Anyway, hope this helps you guys, and so just use it, play with it, have fun with it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions. I'll see you next time.